The Applewood Manor, and this is our cottage, the Cortland cottage. We're going in for the first time. Not really, but pretend like it's the first time. Come on, everybody. What? There's a dog in here! Just joking, it's our dog. Come on in. Let me take you on a tour. Here to the right, you have a cute little table to sit and enjoy. Read what other guests have written. Here's our lovely big bed. You hush up, you monster. No, I'm just joking. You hush up, Isabella, sweetie. Here's our bed. Here's our lovely sink with toiletries, I'm told. Apparently used toiletries, but whatever, that's fine, that's fine. Just has to be new. Here's the bathroom. A little different. You've got your shampoos out. Instead of your personalized shampoos, you have your shampoos. That's fine. Then you have your nice individualized high air refrigerator. Then you have a nice heater, a bubble bathtub, a TV. What? Somebody left their purse here. Whose purse is this? Isabella? It's a nice purse. Isabella, who gave you that purse for Christmas?
It appears to be a Louis Vuitton.
Yes, somebody's rich. And here you have assorted waters and glasses, and then you have your robes for when you want to relax around the room nude.
Well, if you wear a robe, you're not really nude.
Well, nude underneath. You know how I just want to be nude?
Sometimes.
And this is our room. Welcome to the Cortland cottage. Isabella, what do you think? She's happy. Well, hello. I didn't see you there. See that you see me, and now I see you. Just sitting here reading a little bit about the Cortland cottage in Asheville. And I'm enjoying these luxurious sheets. They're very luxurious. Actually, these are some of the softest sheets I've felt. I'm not sure what kind they are, but I'm going to find out. Of course! Comfy. Comfy. I'm gonna order these sheets for my house because these are the best sheets made. Now get out of here, I'm trying to take a nap.
Look, I don't want to hijack Kathy's video, but I do need to tell you about this pimento cheese. Right here. It's really good.
Okay, everybody, this is our last day, and Isabella, she's very upset. She doesn't want to leave. Isabella, say something to your fans. Well, she's very shy. It's our last day. We're getting ready to leave. Of course, the sun is shining brightly in the sky. It's been raining the whole weekend, but that didn't deter us. We had a fabulous time here at the Applewood Manor. Our room was super cozy, comfy sheets, as we told you earlier. Very quiet. The breakfasts were amazing. Our hosts were very welcoming and warm. I would definitely recommend this place. Come stay with the Applewood Manor. Bye.